Okay, let's continue.
Давайте я закрою.
Let's connect a printer. It's our fiscal printer. We'll connect USB. USB here. Printer there. It is turned on. We will go to adjustment. Change settings, printer.
Sorry.
At the moment printer is installed. It is chosen here auto, and as I remember it must work because this software has drivers for all the fiscal printers in Ukraine, and also it has for example ICS Epson. Here you can see Epson. That means if you will choose Epson, it will work with all the printers with a system of commands escape pause. So that's why you can connect here, just check printer and it will operate perfectly. So now we will save our changes and we will try to print our check. Oh, succeed! Here we can see information about cashier, products.
Просто сфокусируйтесь.
Okay, everything you need. Then, what else we already connected barcode scanner, printer, and now we will connect scales. Here we have a usual scales with bidirectional RS interface. These particular scales were manufactured in Russia, but also it is possible to connect so famous brands like CAS and DG. It's very popular scales. If you have Indian scales with bidirectional RS interface, we need just a protocol of connection and we will connect without problem. So a little bit complicated here. Again we have intermediate cable here. Here it is a usual RS cable, 9 pins connection. We have here intermediate cable with a 9-pin connection from this side, and here I don't remember, 4 or 6 pins telephone connection. We have a pin out of this cable, and of course we will send you later on. So now it is a little bit different work with waiting products, let's say.
Я понял, в чем проблема. Other scales middle connected COM1.
So in the setting menu we have others. Again, Roman, again. Let's go there again.
1 second.
Again, settings, others, scale. Middle is it's a name of particular scales. We can choose also COM port here. And now we will try if it is work. Okay, from the beginning. Let's now you entered the product, yes. The product name, quantity, how to use a waiting product. or it is waiting at the moment.
Yes.
Let's put something at the top. So let's suppose it's our
Цена.
как колбаса по-английски.
Sausage.
Let's imagine that it is our sausage. Here we have 760 grams. Price was transmitted from SMPOS, and the total value is 4.48. And here we enter, and we have sausage, quantity, and the value. So when you want to use scales, first of all you choose a product, then press star, then press star here.
Star, and that's
or in the reverse order. First star, then product. Yes?
star, products, and choose position.
And then waiting. Okay, the order is following: star, then products, then waiting. You see here the waiting process is reflected here. And if you are sure about the product and its weight, you press enter. And here we have another product with the same weight and another value. Okay, that's it.